Welcome to Finance Flicks Hub. Today, we're diving into a world most investors overlook, the underdogs of the market. These are the small, scrappy companies quietly building real value while flying under the radar. Think about it. Every tech giant we know today, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, started as a tiny idea, a garage, a small office, a simple concept. And yet people often dismiss small cap or penny stocks, not realizing they could be watching the early chapters of the next big story. We're not talking hype or speculation here. This is about real businesses in growing industries, solving real problems, and showing measurable progress. So the big question is, how do you identify the small companies that are actually doing something right? How do you separate genuine potential from noise? That's what we're breaking down today, featured companies and industries. We're looking at two companies in high-growth tech sectors, Tuya Inc., driving the AI-powered IoT and smart infrastructure revolution. WM Technology, MAPS, creating next-generation digital platforms and marketplaces. These industries are constantly evolving, and the companies we're analyzing are laying the foundation for future market leadership. Analysis framework. When evaluating underdogs, here's what matters most: revenue growth and diversification. Are they growing in multiple areas? Profitability and margins. Are they making money efficiently? Cash flow and liquidity? Do they have the resources to invest and survive downturns? Customer or client metrics. Are people paying and staying? Market relevance and trends. Are they positioned for growth? Risks and challenges. What could slow them down? Company 1, Tuya Inc. Ticker, Tuya. Revenue overview, Q2 2025. Total revenue, 80.1, 9.3%, YoY, PaaS, 58.1, plus 7%, connecting millions of smart devices worldwide. SaaS and other, 11.1, 15.6%, high. Margin subscriptions and cloud services. Smart solutions, 10.9 mix, 116.7%. Innovative IoT products like smart energy management and automation. Margins and profitability. Gross margin, 48.4%. Operating margin, 1.4%. Up from 14.1%, shows improved efficiency. Net margin, 15.7%, up from 4.3%. Net profit, 12.6, plus 32%. Non-GAAP net profit, 20.1 mount. Cash and liquidity operating cash flow, 18.2, chais, plus 53.8%. Total cash and short-term investments, SaaS 1B market relevance expanding IoT adoption globally. AI-powered smart devices creating recurring revenue growth in emerging markets, with early-stage IoT adoption risks competition from giants like Google and Amazon regulatory hurdles, especially around international data privacy, rising operational costs. Takeaway. Tuya is not just growing revenue, it's profitable, diversified, and well-positioned in a fast-growing industry. Company 2, WM Technology. Ticker, MAPS. Business model, B2B, B2C tech platform supporting compliance, online ordering, and digital marketing. Helps businesses operate efficiently within a regulated environment. Financial highlights, Q2 2025, revenue, 44.8, slightly down 2.4% YoY. Net income, 2.2 million, plus 83%. Adjusted EBITDA, 11.67 million, plus 16%. Client metrics, 5,241 monthly paying clients, plus 4% YoY. Average monthly revenue per client, 2,152, 6%, indicates growth in smaller, newer clients. Key insights, revenue remained stable despite regulatory challenges. Profitability improved due to cost control and operational efficiency. Focus on recurring revenue and client retention risks. Regulatory changes, market competition, and pricing pressures. Need to maintain client growth for long-term success. Takeaway. WM Technology is becoming a leaner, more efficient tech platform, showing that operational discipline can drive sustainable profitability. Key takeaways for investors. Look beyond hype. Stability and execution often outperform flashy growth. Diversified revenue reduces risk and builds resilience. Strong margins and cash flow indicate a company can sustain operations and invest in growth. Growth in clients or customers signals market traction and long-term potential. Observing small companies' trends and execution helps identify tomorrow's industry leaders early. Closing in the world of penny stocks and small-cap tech, You're not just watching numbers, you're watching transformation. Tuya and WM Technology are quietly building the foundation for future success. By understanding their revenue streams, margins, cash flow, and market positioning, you gain insight into which companies could be the next big winners. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Flicks Hub so you can stay ahead of the curve on emerging businesses, tech trends, and investment insights.